So when we look at our three competitive advantages of product breadth, scale, and technical expertise, our employees have been installing dry wells and learning about the soil conditions around the valley for 30 plus years. So where we really set ourselves apart from the competition for dry wells is adding an engineer design based on our knowledge and database of soil conditions from previous dry wells. On top of that, with the Oldcastle acquisition, we were able to vertically integrate where our liner, our precast liner, is supplied from our partners in Chandler at the Oldcastle plant. So that unique capability really sets us apart from competition who rely on outside suppliers for a key component of their product. With that vertical integration, what we're able to confidently provide to our customers is a schedule that we know we can meet, because the biggest component of the drywell, the precast liner, is something our company manufactures. So we're able to hold inventory both at our yard and with our partners at the Chandler plant, and meet and exceed customers' schedules, which are very important to them.